Meaning of fizzer.
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 Fizzer. Fizzer is a slang term used to describe something that has failed or gone wrong, typically in a dramatic or unexpected way. The term can be used to describe a wide range of situations, from minor mishaps to major disasters. When something is described as a fizzer, it often implies a sense of disappointment or frustration. Overall, the term fizzer conveys a sense of unexpected and unwelcome outcomes, and is commonly used in casual conversation to describe negative or disappointing experiences.